everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. Picking up out for the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get life, PA weather in there, and puppies. I sure hope you stick around for that long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks. No one's hanging out with me today, but you may see them throughout the week. They just like to hang out with me and keeps it a little bit more interesting than you just looking at me all the time. And I'm waking up to rain. It's going to be a rainy week, I think, but definitely a rainy Sunday. But it's quite comfy out here, maybe a little muggy, but not bad. And the temperature is 74 degrees, getting up to 78. I do have other things to do, I guess, other than just enjoy sunshine today anyway, so maybe it works out for the best. For this week, kicking off outfits, I have on a Goldie Parker, I was trying to think of the name, the Goldie Parker cutoff shorts, paired with a top from Anthropologie. This one is from Pilcrow. And then for shoes, I put on my Millers by Tory Burch. I've had for a couple of years now, I think. And for jewelry, I have on the necklace my husband got me, my bracelet stack, and I'm off and running. Hope your week starts off fabulous. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. It is later in the afternoon, 77, getting up to 78 today, and it is gorgeous outside because it's a work day. Yesterday was not nice at all. The sun didn't really come out till really late in the evening, actually, like 6, 7 o'clock. So it rained and was windy and kind of chilly in the morning, actually. But beautiful today. I'm getting ready to I'm packing and trying to get ready to working and getting ready to go into the office tomorrow. So I will be getting myself ready for that. And for my outfit today, I have on my Miramar shorts. I love these. They're so comfy, from Rag & Bone. Paired it with a Free People t-shirt. And for shoes, I have on my little clear Vince Camuto wedges. And I have on the Kendra Scott little starfish necklace, up some color, my bracelet stack, and that's it for a Monday. I'm going to get back to work, and I will see you bright and early in the morning. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day, 4:30 in the morning, pitch black out, it's me and the crickets, right? And let's see, for today's outfit, on this, let's see, what's it going to be today? It's going to be 85 today. It's 59 right now. I have on Rag & Bone Miramar pants from a Trendsend. I have on a Z Supply sweater and a blank NYC jacket, also from a Trendsend. For shoes, how about these fun little wedges from Vince Camuto? I got them in a Stitch Fix. And for jewelry, just a necklace my husband got me as normal, my bracelet stack. And I'm off. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. 69 right now, getting up to 81. It's probably going to be a gorgeous day again. It always seems like when I am locked in windowless rooms, it is beautiful outside, and then when I can go outside, it's a rainy, cloudy day. Go figure. Anyway, just had to get that out. It's been driving me crazy this summer. For my outfit today, I have on cut from the Kloth pants that I got in a Stitch Fix. I have on a Graylin top that I got in a Trendsend. Love this one. For shoes, I put on Dolce Vita with the little knots there. We'll see how long I last in them. I made it the whole day in yesterday's shoes, so that was really good. And then I just have on the same jewelry. In fact, I didn't put all of it on yet. The same jewelry as yesterday, my bracelet stack, my necklace, and we are off and running, I guess. All right, I'm going to finish getting dressed, put my jewelry on. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is 74 degrees, getting up to 88 today. Let's see. For my outfit today, I have on cut from the Cloth denim from a Trendsend. I have on an Aster lace top, also from a Trendsend. I put one of my Z Supply tanks underneath. For shoes, Dolce Vita. I love these. They're so super comfortable. I like saving them for when my feet are tired because they're so comfortable. And for jewelry, I have on the exact same jewelry as yesterday. All right, well, I gotta get going, and tomorrow is Friday. We made it. Hey everybody, we made it to Friday. Do I have a Friday funny for you guys this week? I don't know that I do. I was gone all week and I didn't even think about it. I think that I can tell you that Tico has bonded with Dexter. He loves to mess with Dexter. Like, he plays with him, and Dexter's really nice to him because the smallest dog versus the biggest dog, and Dexter's like 50 pounds, Tico's 8 pounds. But Tico loves to play with Dexter. He'll get him all riled up, they'll chase each other, and Tico's actually figuring out how to be a dog. So I used to always tell my parents that, you know, Tico doesn't know how to be a dog because he's always around them all the time, never saw any other animals. So being in my house, he is definitely learning how to be a dog. Let's see, it is 79 degrees, getting up to 83. We got pouring rain a little while ago. I think it's going to be off and on this weekend, hopefully off and on and not solid rain, but it's cloudy, and I think this is what it's going to be like here for the forecast as far as I can tell. But the weather's warm. It feels nice out right now. My Stitch Fix and my Wantable posted on Wednesday. Everyone seemed to really like that. I've been trying to do those comparisons. Wantable is getting a little harder for me. You'll see that in an upcoming video, but I'm struggling with them for some reason right now. But it was fun to do those comparison boxes, and I think I told you all that Stitch Fix won in that one. My keepers from Stitch Fix was everything except the Johnny O golf shirt, I'll call it, and then the Z Supply stripe midi dress. I kept the other midi dress, but not the stripe one. So I kept 6 items. And then under Wantable, I kept it all except for the Horizon Rena High Rise Mom jean. I think that was the first jean I tried on. I did not keep the texture blazer. While I love the color, love the texture, I didn't like the fit. And I didn't keep the striped top by West Key. So technically I kept 6 items from both, so you could say it was a tie. But I think I picked Stitch Fix. All right, and for my outfit today, I have on Pistola denim, paired with denim shorts, paired with a vest that I got in I believe in a Wantable from Liverpool. And then for shoes, I have Stitch Fix Dolce Vitas on. I like these little cute flat gold sandals. And for jewelry, I have on the necklace my husband got me. I have on a bracelet stack. I have these fun bracelets on that one of my amazing subscribers made. That's my outfit today. I will see you tomorrow for one more. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. Woke up to thunderstorms, but you can see it looks like it's going to clear up and hopefully be a really beautiful day today. The entire tree of terror is all here. Yes. And my Trendsend posted today. I love my Trendsends. Like, my stylists always do a good job. I had a fill-in and she did a great job, and I ended up keeping almost everything. What I returned was the gold bracelet. I returned the varsity tee. I returned the necklace set, but I'm kind of have a little bit of remorse about that, but I thought I wouldn't grab it enough to keep it since it was hard on like my collarbone. But now I'm thinking it was kind of unique. I probably should have kept it. And I did not keep that Valerie top, which was by Graylin, the one that was kind of like the grays. I didn't think I would grab for that much, but I kept everything else. Like, it was such a good box, thanks to my stylist. And for my final outfit this week, I have on a dress. Oh, and I kept this dress from Trendsend. It's the one from this box. So it is the Z Supply little knot tie dress in this black and white. Paired it with Dolce Vitas that I got in a Trendsend probably 2 or 3 years ago. I like the pop of color. For jewelry, my normal, the necklace my husband got me, and my bracelet stack. And I was off to a hair appointment this morning. So, and now ever since I got home where it was straight, you can see now this humidity is making it start to grow. I've only been out here for maybe 15 minutes. And that's a wrap on outfit of the day. I can't wait to hear what your favorite was. As always, I will list all of my outfits down below. I can link directly to items I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll let you know which boxes. And all the box links are in the description box. I will catch you next time. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and swipe the hype so I can keep on doing this. Bye-bye.